Good morning again, friends. Welcome back to Moorabbin Airport. If you didn't see the last video, we've changed the prop on Kilo Juliet November. It's gone from a 4-blade composite to this new 3-blade Hartzell aluminium prop. What do you think? Is it growing on you as well? Give us a thumbs up if you like the new prop, or give us the thumbs up if you preferred the 4-blade. Anyway, we're going for a test flight today just to make sure this thing, well, to make sure it still flies. Just before we get going, a couple of reasons why I'm doing this test flight is, first of all, just a little bit more experience in Kilo Juliet November before the big Outback trip, but also with the new prop. One of the big things that I could do with the 4-blade prop is when I wanted to slow Kilo Juliet November down, if I just pulled back on the throttle, that stopped the thrust coming from the propeller, and what you end up with is this huge disc in front of you, which kind of acted like a massive speed brake, which just helped slow me down. So if I wanted to slow the aircraft quickly, I could just basically take all the power out. Can't do that as effectively, of course, with 3 blades on the prop instead. So slowing the aircraft down might take a little bit more time. And also on landing, what it means is when I'm coming into land, I need to make sure that with the flare, I was actually holding a bit of power on before with the 4-blade prop, because I didn't want to slow down too quickly just as I was flaring and rounding out for the landing. So what I think I'll be doing now is taking a little bit more power off just on the round out and let the aircraft come to sink down on its own on the runway. So I just want to experiment with some of the basic handling with the new propeller. But also it's one of the first days for a little while where we've actually got some blue colour in the sky. So I thought, well, I've got the morning free, why not come down and fly? So you're cool, we're going to take off, just go out, basically down the coast, into by Caravan home again. Yeah. That's all I'm thinking. I literally want to take off and land again, that's all I want to do in this today.
I mean, something similar to what we did last time.
Yeah,
Exactly. Loop around Caravan or something.
Perfect. Rubbing ground, Kilo Juliet November in the southern run-up bay, received Oscar, request taxi to 31 left, crosswind departure.
Kilo Juliet November. On Bravo, cross runway 35 left, 35 right, runway 22. Taxi on input Bravo 3, runway 31 left.
On Bravo, cross 35 left, 35 right, 22, holding point Bravo 3, Kilo Juliet November.
So take your hat off to the controllers here, they do well to keep up with everything, don't they?
Yeah, they do, they do. There's just so much communication that's going on, and so many different levels of communication ability, but skill levels as well.
And so many different, or so many call signs that are similar.
Yeah.
So the only difference really is going to be it might accelerate slightly slower.
Yep.
Be slightly less in the takeoff performance. It's not going to be anything really noticeable.
Yeah.
But the biggest difference is going to be on the approach. It's not going to slow anywhere near as quick with this prop.
Yeah, I was thinking that. So you know we're normally holding power with the 4-blade as we're rounding out. I'm not going to be doing that as much because I think I'll get more of a float otherwise if I do that.
You might be finding you back closer to idle from about 500 feet.
Yeah.
That's going to be a real glide in the approach to get it in.
Yeah, gotcha. Alright.
Bravo 3, 35 left. Kilo November, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Kilo Juliet November. Alright. Temperatures and pressures are good, static RPM is good, airspeed's coming up. 70 knots.
Zero Romeo, clear to land. Clear to land, Zero Romeo.
Don't really feel any difference with the takeoff.
It still performs the same.
Yeah. 500 feet down. Fuel pump stays on, flaps away. Caps is available, landing light. It still climbs really well though.
Yeah. Suppose it's a key motto in Trust We Trust.
Yeah. I'll just keep it at 1.5, Stephen.
Yeah.
Yeah, give us your November, clear for takeoff.
Well, you want to test anything whilst we're up here?
The only thing is maybe go to full power in the cruise and just see it doesn't, make sure it doesn't go through max RPM. Should all still be the same.
Yeah, you're done a clear for takeoff.
Yeah, cheers.
Yeah.
two props, all the RPM figures, but
Yeah.
you never know.
Okay, that's all I want to do.